So this marble granite Flexi dinosaur just finished printing, and I used a different style of filament, and you'll see it right now once I show you this first. It only took 30 grams, an hour and 50 minutes with regular speed. And it has some marble granite texture with little dots. Once I disassemble it, or actually remove it from the plate and assemble it, I'll show you what it looks like. You know, I was on X talking with some other creators and we started talking about dinosaurs. So I said, you know, I can make you this dinosaur. So here we are. So here's the dinosaur, and it was printed with the body and the head separate so that the jaw can open. Kind of like a real dinosaur, right? All right. And actually, this is what happens when you don't do it correctly. There we go. And here it is. So now that it's assembled, I'm actually quite surprised that it's pretty well designed. You can actually open and close the mouth, and it actually stands on its own, which is really cool. All right, here we go, and here we go. Let's get down to the floor. And here it is. I mean, it's really cool. Look at that. It stands. Actually, hold on. There it is.